In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert tables in Notion. If you've ever found yourself needing a simple and efficient way to organize information, then tables in Notion are exactly what you need. Inserting tables might seem like a daunting task if you're not familiar with Notion's interface, but rest assured, it's incredibly easy and intuitive once you get the hang of it. First, you'll want to navigate to the section of your Notion page where you'd like this table to live. This is where you're going to build the foundation for organizing the content you're dealing with. Once you're in position, you simply type a / followed by the word table. As you start typing, Notion will present you with options, and you'll want to select Table from this list. With that simple action, congratulations! You've successfully inserted a table into your Notion page. From here, you have the flexibility to customize your table to suit your needs. Let's talk about expanding the table by adding more rows and columns. You'll notice a plus sign that appears on the edges of your table. Clicking or dragging this plus sign allows you to easily add more rows or columns. This is particularly useful if you're working with evolving data or simply need to fit more information into your table. This functionality keeps everything tidy and ensures your data is structured just the way you want it. Resizing columns is another handy feature that Notion tables offer. By dragging the edge of a column, you can resize it to better accommodate your data. This means if you find your text crammed or overly stretched, you can adjust the column width, making everything look cleaner and much more readable. It's a little change that can make a big difference in how information is presented. And that's it. The process of inserting and customizing tables in Notion really is that straightforward. Whether you're creating a simple checklist, managing a project, or gathering data, tables can significantly enhance how you visualize and interact with your information. They bring a sense of order and clarity, making the scores of information you manage daily much more accessible. Hopefully, this guide has demystified the process of creating tables in Notion for you. Remember, with just a few clicks, you can completely transform how you organize your digital workspace. Feel free to explore even more options within Notion to further tailor your tables to your needs. As you get more comfortable, you'll find these features becoming indispensable for your projects. Thanks for tuning in, and happy Notioneering!